You both mentioned in terms of international partnership that you also have domestic interests, your own governments, your own politicians, your own industry. When you deal with those stakeholders for your program, what is the value or the views about international partnership, international cooperation?
I don't know in the U.S. that we fully appreciate the benefit we get from an international program, right? We see the overhead and we see the complexity, but I don't know that we see the real benefit of an international program. Now, I think ISS can show you that. You know, I think ISS wouldn't be where it was today without international involvement. You know, even when Augustine looked at the program and the partnerships coming in, you know, the JAXA representatives and ESA representatives coming in to talk to Augustine about the value of the ISS program, that was tremendously beneficial. You know, I could have said that this is a wonderful program until I was blue in the face and it would have never done any good. But somebody from the outside that is not from this country that comes in and says this program has real advantage to us, we need the U.S. to continue. That's a pretty strong message. So there's a real strength to this international partnership that you get more credibility in your own, not in your own country, but in the opposite country. Same when I go to Japan, I'll meet with MEX ministers and other folks, and I think, you know, my opinions and my positions, even though they're 100% in agreement with JAXA, carry more weight just because I'm coming from a different country to go talk to them. So there's real advantages back and forth. But then also the problem is that then the country or the government has to realize that when you're dependent upon somebody else, you are dependent upon them and you have given up some control. And governments don't like to do that. They want to be 100% in control. They want to know everything is controllable directly by them. But to do these big global partnerships, you're definitely letting go, and that's problematic. And I think we need to do a better job of conveying to our governments the advantage of the international partnership. They see it sometimes as a foreign policy tool, but they don't see what we're able to gain from a technology standpoint to move forward.